One of the most immediate ways to stop polluting our waterways, I believe, after much research, would be to stop with the pesticides and the herbicides. We are killing native plant species at a rate that, well, we are facing extinctions globally. Trees are thousands of years old, the cypress. They're not going to last too much longer. They've been tapping into ancient, prehistoric waterways in the Egyptian desert. These waters were never meant to reach the surface in such a manner. And once they've been consumed, they will not replenish for aeons. They say Africa ran dry of water a few months ago. Started running dry. In the north, they've been stealing water from the natives. The governments don't give a shit about the populace anymore. They really don't. Everyone feels it. That's why we're all fighting. The governments have been spying on its own citizens and then blaming them. It's difficult. The water's been coming out cloudy in the taps. They call it safe. We need to look at initiatives such as those in Brazil, the water treatment facilities. There's another eco plant in the States. They've been working really hard, working on ways to carbon capture synthetically for regions where plants have been demolished. We need to continue all initiatives because there is no one solution anymore. There hasn't been for a very long time. We walk through the town and there's barely any green left. Emerald ash borers have been demolishing entire populations. Trees have been rotting from the inside out. Some of this natural, some of this man-made, most of it man-made. The waters are increasing. Luckily, we are not seeing the biblical flood. That's thanks to some friends, let me assure you. There are things that I simply cannot tell you. I would love to. Hold your families close and let's work together to a better future. It is possible to use our genetic modifications to help plants grow faster. We've already been working on algae that we can use for a replacement to fossil fuels. Essentially, it's the same thing. They just don't want to tell you they're creating life to kill it. And those algae would sacrifice for our sins. Believe in sin or not. When you know that even a rock is alive, it's hard to be happy about much of this. However, there's hope. Some. The fact that I am under cloak should indicate the state of affairs.